What's up, y'all? Now, you know what time it is. It's time for me to get rolling in my garden. And as you can see, I've already got started. Last row over there is my sweet potatoes. I got this amazing, beautiful kale that's been in the ground for a few months now. Planted another row of collards. And I got my mature collard greens right here. So y'all know how I do it in the summertime. I've already got started. So let me show you what else is going on. I got plenty to plant in this section, but there's my beautiful strawberry patch. I got some cabbage coming up over there. And y'all, I'm praying. These are 2 blueberry bushes that I get blueberries. I had my son out here with me all day. He's a big help. He's 10 now, so it's time to work for dinner. So he and I also planted, of course, over here it did really well last year with some basil, even though I do a lot of herbs on my patio, but I did one plant out here this year. This is a row of tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes right here, and some other little bitty ones. We'll see if they come up, and back there are some yellow cherry tomatoes. They're very sweet. I did a row of corn. This is a full row of okra because my mama asked me to. She went okra for days. And over there is peppers, and they'll grow. I'm getting ready to water them right now. So I'll keep you guys updated. But my garden is already got started, y'all. So if you plant in the garden, get out there and garden. If you got any tips, any suggestions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And you guys have an amazing summer and spring with your garden. Take care, y'all.